If there's something on your mind and it's weighing you down, wondering about mental health,
Hey,
ask
Patricia. I was wondering if you
Patricia.
could help me out. I have a friend who isn't speaking to me anymore. I didn't return his call right away. Frankly, I was discouraged, a little disengaged. Now he doesn't want to talk to me at all. What do you suggest?
Ah, so discouraged. That might be an appropriate emotion for this situation because you are stuck not being able to do a relationship repair. If that was possible, you would have a crucial conversation, ask curiosity questions, intensely listen, and perhaps make an appropriate apology. As Shelley Rose Charvet said, where there's a will, there's a way. And in relationships, it takes two wills to make the way. So you're stuck. So what can you do to move forward? And I remind you of the saying, friends for a reason, friends for a season, friends for a lifetime. This person may have come into your life for a reason, a personal development reason, to get a project completed, or maybe an awareness for you. Friends for a season are those kinds of people that we meet on holiday, and friends for a lifetime. Oh, they are the ones to treasure. If you have one, two, or maybe three, just know that you are blessed. In the end, know that the best way to have wonderful friends is to be one. And I know you're already doing that. So focus on the friends that are there for you and support you. That's what you deserve. I hope that helps.
Ask Patricia.